Hey there, in the middle of Michigan, no reception, and I'm gonna make this anyways. I've got midnight photo in this camera. As you can see, there's a magnetosphere right there showing up in the ultraviolet sensor array. There's your dot, there's a short end and a long end to a V-neck. See the V-neck? See the long end and the short end? It's classic ultraviolet sensor array overlay on a fisheye. Here's the day shot. That lens flare. This computer overlay. 4 dots, holes in the magnetosphere you're looking at, representing planets larger than Jupiter. One small sun in front of the bigger, darker red sun. Not a lens flare. Oh, poo. Now we gotta go back into the photos. This is where you find these pictures in my uploads. Let's hope it held. Oh no. Here we go. Yeah, I don't have much reception, so it takes a little while. These are things I make too. I'm just making a point here. At the end of this, I have a question for you. Yeah, those ears don't match. All right. Here's a picture that showed up. You see the angles on this? Funny, they match the angles on that every depiction in Egypt, isn't it? Then you got to look at this guy. That came as a CME in a multi-billion-dollar magnetometer array in space, reading this very accurate magnet signature. Magnet signatures being individual, like a fingerprint. We've gone over this. And it sure looks like someone saw that conical hat in Dingley Cobra before. I don't know. Looks like the same hat, the same cobra, same ball on top. Coincidence? No. It's carved on every damn stone not rolling fast enough in warning, not worship. That's a sun holding a planet. And we drew these hieroglyphs so technically correct with the long end and the short end of a V-neck overlay magnetosphere as his shirt. This is not a ball game with the serpent and the angry red brother with the 4 holes in his magnetosphere larger than Jupiter. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. 1748 hertz, electromagnetic field of a human being. Scalar physics says you bring this to the same frequency as this one, and you're going to protect all of Earth with your shield, just like hers, in a 3-sun system. Your creator made you like that. Jeebus, Neanderthal. 1748 hertz on a metal plate, just like it looks today. Now, your moon began doing cartwheels in 2010, right? We've established this. NASA admitted our axis shifted beginning in 2010. Ask yourself why Orion is still in your sky this summer. He's the winter hunter. Because we're held in fucking orbit, and we have been. We've been observing fucking Orion for a long time. Do you see that planet in your north horizon every goddamn night? You ask me for fucking proof? Go look. I've pointed. Many have looked. Many have seen. At Rise, note where your moon craters and shadow are. Draw a picture. Go to sleep. Have a good night. Check it out in the morning. It's flipped 180 degrees right before it sets. Set your alarm clock for the rise of the moon and the set of the moon. That way you don't miss it. It's not a hard thing to do. And while you're out there at night, look in your northern horizon. See that huge shadow hiding the fucking stars? There you go. Might want to bring a chair. It gives me vertigo. You shouldn't see Orion. I keep saying this every year in the summer.